Hello and welcome to Homeschool MBA, where we talk about different MBA topics. Thank you for being here. Let's get started. So, the agenda today is define conflict management, negotiation and decision making, and finally, negotiation skills. Hello, Professor. Welcome. How are you doing? And let's start with what is conflict management?
I'm fine and thank you very much. Well, conflict management basically is negotiation between two competing parties where the objective is to resolve the problem that they are facing through an agreement instead of going into litigations. It is very important factor in management sciences. Well, there are very important saying of President John F. Kennedy. He said, never fear to negotiate and never negotiate out of fear. What it means is that always welcome negotiations, but never fear, never negotiate out of fear means that never be covered to negotiate. Negotiate from strength. So that is what it means actually, that never fear to negotiate, and when you are negotiating, negotiate from strength. Yes.
All right. Next thing I want to ask you is how do you relate decision making with the negotiations?
Negotiation basically is a decision making because you have to pick up the options. You have to choose between various alternatives. You have to choose between various options. So choosing various options or one out of many is actually decision making. Now, it involves basically the negotiation involves decision making plus development of negotiation skills and strategies. Now, skills is basically approaching the competing party, knowing their strengths and knowing their weaknesses. And strategy is that whether you want to negotiate win-win situation or you want to negotiate a certain portion of that victory that you want to have. And then it also means bargaining strategies. That is, that you see, there are three different bargaining strategies. That would be a different lecture, I suppose. Win-win situation, win and lose situation, and lose-lose situation. Now, the decision making leads you to judgment, that what is more important for me, and the choices, of course, that you pick one choice out of many, and then you evaluate that option, that is it good enough for you, or will the other party be able to give you that, and then you select that option. Yes.
Okay. I guess let's talk about the next thing here is negotiation skills. What's your take on that?
Okay, negotiation skills. There are, different skills. Number one is that you should be a good communicator. You should be able to listen to other parties, and then you should be able to develop your own arguments and your own examples. Now, and it skill also means that what we say, that pre-negotiation homework, that is your strengths, your weaknesses, the competitors' strengths and their weaknesses. How much can you give, and will that be enough for the competitors, what you are giving, and how much are you expecting from them, and will they be able to give you that? That is what we mean negotiation homework. And then structuring the bargaining strategies, as I said earlier, then structuring strategies, that which strategy are you going to adopt? Are you going to negotiate win-win situation, or you are going to negotiate win and lose situation, or you want that, okay, both the parties may lose because you are very emotional and you are very strict about your principles and you are not prepared to listen to others. And then it leads to agreements and contracts. Now, agreement and contracts, that when both of you, the competitor and yourself, have resolved to a certain agreement, you write it down. And that becomes a kind of binding on you both to, follow that. And in this case, in skills, there are certain professionals like chartered accountants, like law firms, consultants. They are basically trained in negotiations. And if you don't have such skills within your own company, you can always, hire these services. Now, basically, these are some of the skills that are required in negotiations.
All right. Thank you, Professor. Audience, thanks for your time. Hopefully, you like this lecture as a quick overview of conflict management. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to all our social media. Professor, thank you. Till we meet again.
Thank you very much.